What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery of your MSI GF63 laptop. So as you guys can see in this box we have the new battery. I already took the old one from this laptop, so let's open up the box first to see how the battery looks like. So the battery should be inside this box. And as you guys can see, here's a few tools that comes with the battery. Small manual that nobody read, and the battery that we're gonna use. So let's go ahead and open this laptop now. So once you take all the screws, I believe there is another one here that I'm going to have to take. Once you take off all the screws, open up the laptop from the sides. Like this. And now flip the whole laptop upside down. Like this. And we're gonna take this first. Like this with this tool. I'm gonna put the link of the battery in the description below this video for people who wanna buy it. And let me move these screws to the side. Now what you need to do is push the case up. Or we can use this tool to open it. Like this. Make sure you go easy on the plastic case to not break it. And as you guys can see, we just opened our laptop. So now we're gonna install the new battery. As you guys can see, here is the new battery that we're gonna install. So take the battery out of the plastic. Like this. The first thing that we need to do is install the connector here. So let's check, make sure this one is on top of the battery, like this. So let's go ahead and start. Like this. And now you can install the battery here, like this. Once you make sure everything is correct, check the connector one more time. So as you guys can see here, it's not connected all the way in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect it one more time. Like this. And push it more. So I'm just done installing our battery. Once I do that, let's go ahead and finish the work. So we're gonna put the case first. Like this. Once you install the case back, we're gonna install this liner here, this plastic liner. So let's put it back. Like this. And you can install back the screws without any issues. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. and thank you guys for watching this video.